Are you a business owner? Are you an entrepreneur? Do you have an online website? Do you use Shopify? Have you ever noticed at the very bottom of your store at the footer, it says Powered by Shopify? Do you want to learn how to remove the Powered by Shopify logo at the footer of your store and stand out and brand your own self and look like a professional, like one of those big named stores, those stores that you see online, for example, Children's Place, Amazon? If you look at the bottom of their footer, it doesn't say Powered by Shopify. I'm not sure if they're using Shopify or not, but that's the point. You don't want people knowing exactly who you're using. You don't want to look like an amateur. You want to look like one of these big brands. So if this is you, stay tuned. I'm going to teach you how to remove the Powered by Shopify logo at the footer of your store.
Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh.
Hey beauties, welcome back and happy new year to you. I know it's been a little over a month since I've made a video, but I am here. I am starting off 2021 totally refreshed and ready to come to you with more YouTube videos. So again, welcome back. And if this is your first time tuning in, thank you for being here and welcome. My name is Larice and I am the founding owner of BeyondBodie. So as you've seen, this video was all about how to remove the Powered by Shopify text or logo at the footer of your Shopify store. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. Hopefully you like the new scenery. I just wanted to switch it up and try something different for the new year. So let me hop over and share my screen and let's get into the video. All right, so here we are on my website, beyondbodie.com. And so if you scroll all the way down to the website, to the bottom of the website, you will see right here where it says copyright 2021 BeyondBodie powered by Shopify. And of course, on your own website, it won't say BeyondBodie, it'll say your website. But what we want to remove here is the powered by Shopify. Shopify is big already, it is well known, and we want to brand our own self. We no longer need to have the powered by Shopify text or logo located at the footer of our website. So what you want to do is hop over to your back office or your back store, and right here where it says sales channel, that's where you want to go. And then click on online store, and that's where this page is. And right here where it says actions next to the green customize button, you want to click on actions and scroll down to edit language. Click on edit languages. And then right here next to filter, you want to type in powered. So we're here on powered, and there's two things that you need to change. Right here where it says checkout system/links, this is where it says powered by Shopify, which is located at the footer of your website. So you want to delete that, but not only do you delete it, you need to push the space bar, because as you can see, it still says powered by Shopify. It's just not as bold as it was. So it is still there. So push the space bar button. And then also you want to go down to where it says general/passwords page. And you want to highlight that and delete that as well. This part right here is what is seen on a beginning website or a beginning storefront where your page has no products, no images, and your store is password protected while you're getting your store set up and ready for public view. So if you do not want that first locked page to show, coming soon, and then underneath it will say powered by Shopify. If you don't want that page to show that, you would delete this field that I just deleted. So make sure after you do that, you go back up and click on the green save button. Without saving, nothing will change. So Let's hop back over to my website so you can see that it has been changed. So let me refresh my store and scroll down to the bottom. And as you can see, it has been removed. It says copyright 2021 BeyondBodie. So no longer does it say powered by Shopify. You want to stand out. You don't want to be an amateur. Even if this is your first time having a Shopify store, even if this is your first time having an online store, the point is for you to brand yourself, stand out, and let the community and your potential customers and your customers know who you are. Like I said before, everybody knows Shopify. Shopify has done a good job of branding its own self. There is no need for you to brand Shopify on your branded website. So again, hopefully this video helped you discover how to remove the powered by button off of your website, and so you can stand out and brand yourself like these big named companies that we all shop from and love. Take care. Love you all. Happy New Year. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. And make sure you share this video out with a fellow entrepreneur that either has Shopify or looking to get into Shopify. Share this video out because I'm sure many people are wondering, how do you remove that powered by Shopify button off of the bottom of my website?